Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Say hi. Y'all, today, okay, we have a Daily Looks, but let me explain this to you, okay? Daily Looks is a try before you buy clothing subscription, but it was expensive. Y'all, we tried it a couple times. Their lowest price item was $60. They tell you in advance, which that was my bad. I did not look and see that, you know, everything was going to be $60 and up. Y'all excuse my oversized little fuzzy thing. It's cold. I got cold. So I had to put on something warmer. Anyway, let me just look this up and tell you a little more about it. The styling fee on their Daily Look box is $40, which is more expensive than your normal boxes that we normally get. And like I said, everything will be $60 and up. Your styling fee, you do get credited back to you to spend on items in the box or items in their store. And they do have a little section that says samples, you know, sample sale. Well, you can use it on stuff in there. So let me see what else I need to tell you. I do have a link below if you do want to try it. The clothes are good quality, but I do want to tell you they are marked up. Go back and watch the last video I did on Daily Looks. At the very end, I actually looked up each individual piece of clothing to tell you how much it was marked up from the actual stores. There was a few pieces I couldn't see, but most of them were marked up $20, $50. So that kind of was the end of it for me. So I went to cancel. Well, when I went to cancel, I saw that I had my $40 credit plus a $10 credit, which I'm not sure where the $10 credit came in. So I felt like I had $50 to spend. So I thought, well, before I cancel, I'll just order something from the sample sale, spend that $50, and then I'll cancel. So I'm still working on the cancel part because I tried to cancel right after I ordered. They said that you had to, you know, everything had to have gotten to you before you could cancel. Then I tried again after this arrived. It wanted me to call them. It said it wasn't normal business hours. It was normal business hours. So I don't know. I sent a message to my stylist telling my stylist that I wanted to cancel, and I haven't checked my emails to see if she's responded to me. I also went in their app and told them I wanted to cancel. So we'll see how that works out. It's a little complicated, so just keep that in mind if you do decide you want to try this box. You have 5 days to try everything if you do get the box from them. I want to see if I can, my orders, here we go, because I want to tell you what this is and what I paid for it. All right, so this is a final sale item, so I can't send it back because it was from their outlet. But this is a ribbed V-neck top in burgundy size large, originally $59, so since I had the $50 credit, I only had to pay $9 for it. So here it is. It is a, you know, a nice burgundy V-neck. It is thin. I can see my ring light through it, but this is perfect for me. Look, it has a little bit of a bell sleeve. Very cute. It's perfect for me because I do get hot. So we're going to try it on and see what we think. And if we don't like it on me, I'm going to sell it on Poshmark. And I'll see if I can get some money for it. High-low slit side lightweight rib knit long bell sleeves, 49% rayon, 46% polyester, 5 spandex, hand wash. Comes in small, medium, and large. So that I didn't show you. See this slit on the side? It looks more dramatic on the model, but we'll see what it looks like on. All right, so let's try this on. Be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. The shirt is too tight. I don't think I could get away with wearing it. I mean, I could get away with wearing it, but I would probably be pretty uncomfortable. I love the bell sleeves, think they're cute, but this is where it's so tight on me that makes me uncomfortable. It feels like it's pulling it off here. You can see my bra through it. This one's not returnable, so it probably will go to some sort of sale, but I mean, it's cute. If I needed a layer under something, I could wear it, but I'll probably honestly just leave the tags on it and sell it on a resale site because I think it's too tight. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, y'all, I'm back. I don't really know what I can say about this shirt. I know I can't return it, so it's really just a, you know, a $9 shirt that was a little too tight for me. Like I said, I can get away with wearing it under stuff, but really, in all honesty, probably I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on Poshmark and sell it. Anything will be pretty much after the $9 profit for me, because it's really, you know, what was it, like a $50-something, a $59 shirt, and I just had credit. So I got the shirt. I just should have got it in a bigger size. It's a really nice shirt. I would have loved to have worn it this weekend, but just a little too small for me. I'm not there yet. So thanks so much for spending time with me. Don't forget to do all that fun YouTube stuff. Click the like button, click that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends. Thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.